6 reasons crypto is poised for huge moves. Welcome to the exciting world of cryptocurrency. Over the past decade, digital currencies have been making waves in the financial industry and captivating the imaginations of investors worldwide. With a market that never sleeps and technology that constantly evolves, crypto is poised for some monumental moves ahead. In this video, we'll explore 6 compelling reasons why the world of crypto is on the verge of explosive growth. Whether you're already a seasoned investor or just dipping your toes into this intriguing realm, hold onto your hats because things are about to get wild. So, let's dive right in and discover what makes crypto tick and why it's set to soar to new heights. Get ready for some mind-blowing insights as we unravel what lies ahead in this unstoppable journey towards financial revolution. The current state of the crypto market. The current state of the crypto market is a dynamic and ever-changing landscape. Bitcoin, often referred to as the king of cryptocurrencies, has experienced significant price volatility over the years. From its humble beginnings to reaching all-time highs, Bitcoin has proven its resilience and captured investors' attention worldwide. But it's not just about Bitcoin anymore. The crypto market has expanded exponentially, with thousands of altcoins offering unique features and functionalities. Ethereum, for example, is not only a digital currency but also a platform for building decentralized applications, DApps, through smart contracts. However, it's important to note that the crypto market is still relatively young and can be highly volatile. Prices can fluctuate wildly in short periods due to various factors such as regulatory news, global economic events, or even social media trends. Despite these fluctuations, there are several indicators suggesting that the overall trajectory of cryptocurrency is heading upwards. More individuals are becoming aware of the potential benefits offered by digital currencies, from faster and cheaper cross-border transactions to greater financial inclusivity. Additionally, major financial institutions and corporations are starting to embrace blockchain technology and invest in cryptocurrencies. This institutional adoption brings credibility and stability to an industry once viewed as speculative or risky. Bitcoin's halving event. Bitcoin's halving event is one of the most anticipated events in the cryptocurrency world. It occurs approximately every 4 years and has a significant impact on the supply and demand dynamics of Bitcoin. During this event, the number of new Bitcoins created through mining is cut in half, leading to a reduction in the rate at which new coins enter circulation. This reduction in supply often leads to an increase in demand, as investors perceive Bitcoin as becoming scarcer. As a result, we typically see a surge in price following each halving event. In fact, historical data shows that previous halvings have been followed by substantial bull runs. The upcoming halving event, scheduled for May 2024, has generated much excitement among crypto enthusiasts and investors alike. Many believe that it could be a catalyst for another significant price rally, potentially propelling Bitcoin to new all-time highs. However, it's important to note that past performance does not guarantee future results. While there are compelling reasons to be optimistic about Bitcoin's prospects post-halving, market conditions can always vary. Nonetheless, it is undeniable that the halving event brings renewed attention and interest to Bitcoin. coverage surrounding this phenomenon helps raise awareness about cryptocurrencies as a whole and attracts both retail and institutional investors looking for opportunities within this rapidly evolving market. Ethereum's upcoming upgrade. Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, is gearing up for a major upgrade that could have significant implications for the entire crypto space. Known as Ethereum 2.0 or ETH2, this upgrade aims to address some of the current limitations of the Ethereum network and enhance its scalability and security. One of the key features of ETH2 is the implementation of a new consensus mechanism called Proof of Stake, POS. This means that instead of miners competing to solve complex mathematical problems to validate transactions and create new blocks, validators will be selected based on their ownership stakes in Ether. POS is expected to make the network more energy efficient and reduce transaction fees. Another important aspect of Ethereum's upcoming upgrade is shard chains. Currently, all transactions on Ethereum are processed by every node in the network, which can lead to congestion during times of high demand. With shard chains, different parts of the network will be able to process transactions simultaneously, increasing scalability and throughput. Additionally, ETH2 will introduce EWASM as its execution environment. This allows developers to write smart contracts using multiple programming languages instead of just Solidity. This flexibility opens up opportunities for easier integration with existing systems and enables developers with varied skill sets to contribute to decentralized applications, DApps, built on Ethereum. The rise of DeFi. The rise of DeFi, or decentralized finance, has been one of the most exciting developments in the crypto world. It refers to a set of financial applications and platforms that are built on blockchain technology, aiming to disrupt traditional financial intermediaries like banks and brokers. One key reason why DeFi is gaining so much traction is its potential for financial inclusivity. With traditional banking systems often excluding large portions of the global population, DeFi offers an alternative where anyone with an internet connection can access financial services. This opens up opportunities for individuals who have been historically marginalized by traditional banking systems. Another aspect that makes DeFi interesting is its ability to provide greater transparency and security compared to traditional finance. By leveraging blockchain technology, transactions conducted within DeFi platforms are recorded on a public ledger that is immutable and tamper-resistant. This ensures trust among participants and reduces the risk of fraud or manipulation. Furthermore, unlike centralized finance where middlemen play a crucial role in facilitating transactions, DeFi eliminates intermediaries by utilizing smart contracts programmed on the blockchain. These self-executing contracts automate processes such as lending, borrowing, trading, and more without relying on third parties. As a result, users can enjoy faster transaction speeds and lower fees. Institutional adoption. Institutional adoption of cryptocurrencies has been gaining momentum in recent years, and it is one of the key reasons why the crypto market is poised for huge moves. Traditional financial institutions are recognizing the potential of digital assets as an alternative investment class with significant growth opportunities. Large institutional investors, such as hedge funds and asset management firms, have started to allocate a portion of their portfolios to cryptocurrencies. This influx of institutional money brings greater liquidity to the market and increases overall stability. Moreover, major companies like PayPal and Square have integrated cryptocurrency transactions into their platforms, making it easier for individuals and businesses to buy, sell, and hold digital currencies. This level of mainstream acceptance further validates the legitimacy of cryptocurrencies as a viable form of payment and store of value. Mainstream awareness. Mainstream awareness has been a significant driving force behind the recent surge in cryptocurrencies. As more people become familiar with digital currencies, their potential and utility are being recognized on a broader scale. One reason for this increased mainstream awareness is the growing number of businesses accepting cryptocurrencies as payment. Major companies such as Microsoft, PayPal, and Tesla have started integrating cryptocurrency payments into their platforms, making it easier for consumers to use digital assets in everyday transactions. Additionally, media coverage plays a crucial role in spreading awareness about cryptocurrencies. The rise of social media influencers discussing crypto-related topics has captured the attention of millions worldwide. As these influencers share their experiences and insights into the crypto market, they draw more individuals towards exploring this innovative space. Furthermore, educational resources and platforms dedicated to teaching people about cryptocurrencies have emerged. These resources provide valuable information to newcomers who may be curious but lack knowledge about investing or trading digital assets. Another factor contributing to mainstream awareness is government recognition and regulatory efforts. Countries around the world are starting to develop frameworks that acknowledge and regulate cryptocurrencies, which adds credibility to the industry and encourages wider adoption. Conclusion. The crypto market is undoubtedly poised for huge moves in the coming months and beyond. With Bitcoin's halving event, Ethereum's upcoming upgrade, the rise of DeFi, institutional adoption, and mainstream awareness, there are multiple factors driving this growth. Bitcoin's halving event has historically led to significant price increases as the supply of new coins being issued gets cut in half. This scarcity drives up demand and can result in substantial gains for investors.